हाँ. Our project topic is Touchless Doorbell. The group members are Hitesh, Swami, and Gayatri Supriya. The problem statement is when someone is nearby the doorbell, the system will detect the IR radiation which is emitted by that person or object and will produce the buzzer sound to inform the owner that someone is near the door. The working principle of this project is totally based on PIR sensor. The PIR sensor does not radiate energy to space. It receives the IR radiation from human body to make an alarm. Any object with temperature constantly radiates the IR rays to the outside world. The most widely used IR detector is the pyroelectric detector. It is used as sensor to convert human IR radiation into electricity. To lengthen the detection distance of the detector, Fresnel lenses are used. Thus, the pyroelectric sensor will detect the IR radiation. Hitesh will explain from here.
The components used in this project are Arduino Uno, buzzer, a resistor, PIR sensor, an LCD, and a potentiometer. We have connected this to a breadboard. The application of the system is it can be used for security purposes. It can be used in fire engines and railroad crossing. The system can also be used for security purposes uh, in alarm and industrial plants. Future scope of this topic is a doorbell can be used to this doorbell can be used to keep away germs from away from your doorbell so that the user will not get infected. uh, when we start the simulation, when we place our hand near the PIR sensor, there is this is the project touchless doorbell. Thank you.